Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. In chemistry, the science of qualitative and quantitative analysis go hand in hand. For it's not only important to understand the chemical makeup, but also how much is present. Today we're in Plumsteadville, Pennsylvania, at home of the Scaletron Industries Limited headquarters. We're understanding how much has been their business for nearly 50 years. Scaletron is well known as the industry leader in corrosion-resistant technology for scales and feeders used in the harsh environments of a wide range of industries, including wastewater and sewage treatment, municipal water treatment, industrial process water and wastewater treatment, chemicals, specialty gas manufacturing, fire protection systems, oil and gas and biofuels, semiconductor and electronics manufacturing, as well as poultry and livestock production. Their scales and feeders are designed specifically for monitoring usage, feed rate, and inventory of water treatment and other process chemicals. Scaletron has been manufacturing electronic base scales since 1983, when they received their first patent. They manufacture a full line of mechanical and electronic scales, including 150-pound cylinder, ton cylinder, gas cabinet, dewar, drum, tank, platform, and spill containment scales. Their digital scales offer a high degree of accuracy to within 0.1%. In addition to their scales, they offer a complete line of indicators and process controllers designed to provide accurate scale weights and monitoring of chemical usage. Rugged, corrosion-resistant scales for the accurate weighing of monitoring of corrosive chemicals. That's Scaletron. Come visit them today at scaletronscales.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.